Today in this video, I'm going to talk about like how you can connect your email accounts into Gmail apps or Microsoft's apps or Yahoo Mail apps. So it's really simple, not something hard. But before diving into the main video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe now. And if you already do subscribe, thank you so much. To do that, first of all, you have to log in your Cpanel. So I know guys, you already know that how to log in your Cpanel. So first of all, log in Cpanel and then just come here the email accounts. So if you're using another company hosting, then if they're providing the email create option, just go to there. And I know if they provide you the creating option, they already have the option for connect device. Okay, if you want to create a new email, then just click on here the create button and create new one. So I already have an email, that's why I'm not going to create again. So I just click on here the connect device button, and as you can see, they are giving me some option here and a username. Here is my incoming server, and here is the outgoing server, and here is the password, and here is some other things. Right now, come here your phone and just click on the the Gmail apps. And now, as you can see, I open the Gmail apps and just click on here, click on the button. And now, as you can see, we are getting some option add an email account. Just click on add an email account, and then you will see some option like Google, Outlook, Hotmail, or Live, Yahoo, or Exchange, and Office 365, and other. Just you have to click on here the other button, and now you have to put here the your email account. So my email account is, as you can see, support@. Just type here next, and they are showing us two options. One is like POP3 and another is like IMAP. So one is going to talk with the Namecheap. They say and like I can use IMPA, but if you use POP3, it's working, no problem. Because if you see here carefully, they're giving us two things. Incoming server, it's two IMAP, another is POP3. So whatever you want, you can use. But in my case, I'm going to use IMAP. Then they're telling us about the password. I put the password and let's click on the next button, and they're telling me about the server. Sometimes if you see, as you can see here, the server is not showing anything in server, but I don't know, but normally the server is calling this URL. So again, I put here everything. Let's see it's gonna working or not. And as you can see, they are giving us something like this. So it successfully take the incoming, and let's put it down here the outgoing one. So the server, okay, so SMTP server will be the the URL, I think the same thing. So I just put it down here, the same thing. And as you can see, successfully added. And I don't want to download anything when it's just my Wi-Fi is connected. Notify me when email arrive. Scan email for this account, and every 15 minutes it will be scanned. Okay, let's click on next button, and they're just asking a name. Okay, so we can put in any name of that. So I'm just going to put here support. So I'm just put this name and just going to click on next. And as you can see, this email is now successfully added in my account. So let's try to put a mail on. Let's try to send something. So as you can see, this is the mail from, and I'm just going to send an email into my email. You know my email, right? It's not email, it's this email, but it's okay. I just type this, nothing. As you can see, hello expert Azi. I just type it on my Gmail, on my normal Gmail. Let's see what happened. And it's just taking little bit time, I think. Little bit, it's not much. All right, so it's successfully sent. Let's go to our email. As you can see, we successfully received the mail support@expertazi.xyz, and it's a hello expert. And as you can see here, if you see here the details, then I hope you'll understand that it's really working. And it's some people saying that it's slow. In my case, I see that it's slow, but it's working. It's not too much slow that it's not working. It's not like that. It's working. So I think this is a good idea for using your email account in Gmail application. It's really interesting. So you can use your Gmail account anywhere, but it's not really that like it's really good enough, but something is missing. I already tell you that it's the timing if you see, not if you send anything in Gmail, that's going to instantly, but when you're just going to use this normal hosting email, it's just taking a little bit time. So but it's okay, because it's not, we don't have to pay extra for this, right? Because when you're just going to buy in a G Suite account, you have to pay every single month or every single year again extra. But if you're going to buy any private email, then you have to again buy everything, and you have to pay everything in every single year. So for starting, I think it's gonna okay. I hope guys you enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoy, please click on this like button, and if you're new here on my channel, so please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will get a notification.